and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This time, guys, it's the number 72, as you can see there. But well, guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, be sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like building this dollhouse with me, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 72. If you would like to see the previous 71, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of my video. And well, here we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. I can't wait until we have it completed. That's gonna be so awesome. And guys, this collection is from Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing that, guys, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in my channel. Here it talks about the bedrooms of Versailles. There you can see a really beautiful roof with paintings and gold. It's crazy looking. It's awesome. It looks really fancy. Let's see. Alright, so here it points out piece by piece of all of the different parts of the bedroom, which you can see labeled here. So all of the different parts here. And here it talks about the beds during the Victorian age. These big canopy beds. And here it shows you how to connect these little wooden pieces. We got one of them in this number, and it shows you how to connect them to the dollhouse. And guys, as I always say with this collection, once we unbox the entire thing, I will walk you through how to do each one of these projects, and we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post a new dollhouse. And of course, guys, make sure to leave a like down below. And here, guys, it talks about weddings and marriages during the Victorian age. There. This picture was taken in 1910. Very cool. Let's see. That's the thing with these pages, they do tend to get stuck together. Another picture from 1910. I do really like her dress with all the lace and everything. And well, let's turn here. And well, guys, that's the end of that. We just have the front of the dollhouse. And guys, again, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's flip back to the front. And well, guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay, guys, so now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. First up, we have this little wooden stick, for lack of a better word. And not so much stick as like a little plank. It's more just to cover up the rough edges of the house. There's the other side. There's one side. And then there's the other. Okay, guys, so now it's time to check out the books that we got for our dollhouse. Let's go ahead and let's check those out now. There we are. I'm just gonna open this up. Okay, so there's 4 of these. I'm gonna show you guys them one at a time. There's like a sky blue one. There's the back and the binding. Very cool. So that's one. And then there is a black one. There's the back there. and the binding. Put that one back down. And then there is a bright red one. And they really have a nice texture that seems like fake leather, which is cool. There's the binding there. And then there's like a maroon one, like a dark red one. There's the binding and the back. Okay. And well guys, you tell me which one do you like the most. Tell me down in the comments below. Do you like the blue one, the black one, or one of these two reddish ones? Tell me down in the comments below. I really like the blue one personally, but I look forward to hearing what you guys think. And well guys, that's the end of that. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, down in the description below, I will have links to my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all linked down below. So make sure to go on over and follow me on those. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, and live streams, which I'm a part of. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.